Hello everyone, and hello Marino. Today I want to talk about something new technology in civil engineering. Before I start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Fadhil Mahmud with MPM 250220190. Are you to start? Today, I want to talk something a new technology is a modern, interesting, and more innovative. This 3D printing and constructions. Construction usually needs so many workers, many tools, and a long time. But in the 3D printings, it's like a print a document. 3D printings using the big machines. So, what it is? It is a process where the special printer builds the structure layer by layer using the material like the concrete or sand. When the design is ready, the printer automatically move and put the material based on the model. Okay, the model made in the software like AutoCAD, BM, and SketchUp. The most common method is called the concrete extrusion, when the printer continuously print with the concrete until the structure is finished. So, why this technology is so popular? First, this is so fast. For the build a small house, just 1 day until 3 days. Second, it's cheap, not many workers, and can less materials for the build a house. Third is eco-friendly, since the product less waste and the materials can be recycled. Sorry. And finally, is allow the creative design. Architect can make hard designs. 3D printing is so just a print. So it's a new technology. It's not perfect yet. The machine is very expensive. Not many company can buy them. And the materials is being tested. The worker must make sure the material is strong and safe. For the example, in Netherlands, in America, we know this new technology. I hope the future many engineers can learn this technology, because one day it might become part of the daily work. This is for me. Thank you for listening.